If you're still starting your keyword research on Google, you're already too late. By the time a keyword shows up in Google search suggestions, 100 other affiliates are already fighting for it. The real gold? It's hidden where the gurus never look. Welcome back to Everything Happens for Us. In our last video, we talked about why chasing high-volume keywords keeps beginners broke. Today, I'm showing you the exact method I use to find profitable keywords, completely free, by going where real buyers hang out. I call this the gold mine method, and it's based on one simple truth. People reveal their deepest problems in anonymous forums, and those problems, they're your next 10 video topics. Let me show you why forums are better than Google for keyword research. When someone Googles something, they're often just starting their journey. But when someone posts in a forum, they're stuck. They've tried stuff, it didn't work. Now they're desperate. Look at this thread in r/beginner fitness. Someone posted, "I've been running for a month and my knees hurt. What am I doing wrong?" This person is in pain, literally. They're not browsing, they need a solution. And the comments? Pure gold. People are recommending specific shoes, specific stretches, specific routines. See, this person isn't searching best running shoes. They're searching, in their head, shoes that won't hurt my knees. And if you create content around that exact problem, you're not competing with Forbes. You're the only source. Okay, let me walk you through this step by step. Step 1, find your gold mine subreddits. If you already have a niche, great. If not, start by Googling list of subreddits for topics you're interested in. But here's the trick. Don't go to the biggest subreddits. r/fitness has 12 million members. It's a mess. Your posts get buried. But r/beginner fitness? 400,000 members. Still big, but way more focused on, well, beginners. Even better? Look for niche subreddits. r/XX fitness for women. r/fitness 30 plus for people our age. r/bodyweight fitness for people without gym access. The more specific, the better. For any niche, here's what to look for. Topic plus beginners. Topic plus support. Topic plus questions. Topic plus help. Step 2, mine for problems. And here's the secret. Don't sort by hot or top. Sort by new. Hot posts are entertaining. They're memes and success stories. New posts are where people show up when they're stuck right now. Look for posts that ask for help, complain about something not working, compare options, ask, is this normal? Here's a perfect one. Is it normal to be sore for 3 days after working out? This person is worried. They think something's wrong. They need reassurance and solutions. Now here's where most people stop. They read the post and move on. But the real gold? It's in the comments. Step 3, extract keywords from comments. Watch this. On this post about soreness, someone comments, "I got a foam roller and it changed my life. This one's cheap and works great." There's your keyword. Best foam roller for beginners' sore muscles. Another comment. "Make sure you're stretching properly. I follow this YouTube channel for post-workout stretches." Another keyword. Post-workout stretches for beginners after running. One post just gave me 5 video ideas. For free. And nobody else is doing this because they're too busy buying expensive keyword tools. Reddit is my favorite, but let me show you 2 other gold mines. First, Quora. Quora is amazing because questions are organized by topic. Search affiliate marketing and look at the questions with the most followers. How do I start affiliate marketing with no money? 5,000 followers, 47 answers. People have been asking this for years. Where's the definitive YouTube video answering it? Could be yours. Facebook groups are trickier because they're private, but if you can get into a few in your niche, pure gold. Join, observe for a week, and note the same questions that get asked over and over. If 5 different people ask the same question in a month, that's not a coincidence. That's a content topic that will get searched forever. So let's recap the gold mine method. Find niche subreddits, not the huge ones. Sort by new and find problem posts. Mine the comments for specific solutions. Turn those solutions into keywords. Create content that answers exactly what they're asking. Here's your homework for this week. Pick one topic you're interested in. Find 3 subreddits related to it. Spend 30 minutes mining new posts, and come back with at least 10 keyword ideas. Comment below with one of your keywords. I'll personally reply to the first 20 people with feedback on whether it's a winner. Next video, I'm showing you the free tools that beat paid keyword software. You won't believe what Google gives away for free. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, join the gold mine. Thanks for watching. Everything happens for us. I'll see you in the next one.